Imagine rolling down the street, and suddenly everything around you slows down. Cars stop. People pull out their phones. Kids point. Not because of speed, but because what you're looking at feels like it rolled straight out of a dream. A beautifully crafted wooden camper sitting on top of a tricycle. Not a toy, not a gimmick. A real, rideable, livable piece of art. This is the Kevin Cyr wooden camper tricycle, and once you see it, you'll never look at home on wheels the same way again. At first glance, it looks like something from a vintage storybook. Warm wooden panels, curved edges, handcrafted details that feel more like fine furniture than a vehicle. Kevin Cyr didn't just build transportation here. He built a moving sculpture. Every line, every joint, every wooden surface feels intentional, like it was meant to exist exactly this way. And the craziest part? It actually works. You can pedal this thing. You can live in it. You can take your home wherever your legs can carry you. This camper tricycle isn't about speed or horsepower. It's about slowing life down. In a world obsessed with faster, bigger, louder, Kevin Cyr went in the opposite direction. Human-powered, quiet, sustainable, almost poetic. You don't hear an engine. You hear the wind, the road, and the quiet curiosity of people watching you pass by. Look closer at the structure and you realize how smart the design really is. The trike base gives it stability, while the wooden camper body balances perfectly on top. It's compact but not cramped, cozy without feeling boxed in. Inside, there's just enough space to lie down, rest, read, or simply exist without distraction. No massive screens, no unnecessary tech, just you and the road. The wood itself deserves its own moment. This isn't rough plywood slapped together. It's smooth, polished, and shaped with care. The grain of the wood adds warmth, personality, and life. Every panel tells a story. Every curve shows patience. You can feel the craftsmanship even through the screen. This is the kind of build that reminds you what human hands are capable of when creativity leads the way. And here's where it gets even better. This tricycle camper isn't just visually stunning. It's a statement. It challenges everything we think we need to live comfortably. No rent, no fuel bills, no massive RV payments. Just a simple shelter powered by your own energy. It's freedom in its purest form. Pedal when you want to move. Stop when you want to stay. Home is wherever you decide. Picture waking up inside this wooden camper as sunlight filters through a small window, lighting up the natural wood interior. No alarms, no traffic noise, just calm. You step outside, stretch, hop back on, and ride toward the next view. That's not a vacation, that's a lifestyle. What really makes Kevin Cyr's creation special is how emotional it feels. This isn't just about engineering, it's about nostalgia. It reminds people of a time when things were built to last, when craftsmanship mattered, when wood was more than just a material, it was a soul. That's why people stop and stare. This tricycle doesn't scream for attention. It quietly earns it. And let's be real, in the age of tiny homes, van life, and off-grid living, this wooden camper trike stands in a league of its own. Vans still need gas. RVs still feel heavy. This feels light, free, almost rebellious. It says you don't need much to live well, just creativity and courage. Kevin Cyr didn't just create a vehicle, he sparked a conversation about sustainability, about minimalism, about how we define enough. This camper tricycle proves that innovation doesn't always mean adding more. Sometimes it means stripping things down to their most honest form. Every time this tricycle hits the road, it becomes a moving question. What if we lived simpler? What if our homes didn't own us? What if mobility wasn't loud or polluting, but quiet and human-powered? That's the magic of this build. It makes you think without preaching, and the best part? It inspires. You don't watch this and walk away unchanged. You start imagining possibilities. Could you build something like this? Could you live smaller? Could freedom really look this simple? That spark of curiosity is exactly what Kevin Cyr's wooden camper tricycle is all about. So whether you see it as art, engineering, a tiny home, or a bold experiment, one thing is clear. This wooden camper tricycle is unforgettable. It rolls slowly, but its impact hits fast. In a world rushing forward, Kevin Cyr pedaled backward just enough to remind us what truly matters. And honestly, that might be the most powerful journey of all. Bicycle evergreen tree sparkles.